My dear students, how are you? I am also fine. I hope that you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Dear students, you are very good students because those students studied at home regularly. They will shine in the examination and they will pass the test examination. Today I am going to start a new class for class 10 vocational students. I shall want to start new grammar, transformation of sentences. Transformation sentence means changing sentence. For example, affirmative to negative. It is very important for you final exam. Okay, there are many rules in here. I shall discuss about only for important rules for you. Listen to me what I say. Dear students, look at the whiteboard and listen to me what I say. Okay? Only Allah can help us. Only Allah can help us. Only Allah can help us. Okay? We change it now negative and easy. Only Allah can help us. When we identify this sentence, person negative word only, negative word non-but. Non-but, any non, any non-but, but, non-but, Allah can, Allah can help, help us. Non-but, Allah can help us. Non-but only, alternative, negative words, non-but. My dear students, we identified this sentence is affirmative. Non-but means negative word. Allah for only for non-but Allah can help us. It is negative word. Okay. He has only few toys. Number 2. He has only few, APWQ, POYS, toys. Only few toys. Alpo Shankar. Okay. He has only a few toys. It is, his sentence is meaning things. Things alternative nothing but. He has nothing, nothing but few toys, nothing but a few toys, nothing but a few toys. My dear student, there are 3 rules in here: person and things. Okay. Things. And next rule: he is only. The guy is only 22. Mina is only 22. Mina is only 22. Only. There are number of this sentence meanings number 22. His age is 22. Not more than. Not. Mina is not more than. Mina is not more than 22. Okay, my dear student, at first there are 3 rules in here. First, person for only changes number. Okay. Next, things, only alternative word, nothing but. Next, number of eggs. That is why only, not more than or not less than. Not more than or not less than. Next rule: we must help you. We must help you. We must help you. It is a affirmative sentences. We change it negative. We change it negative. We shall change it negative. And it must substitute or a alternative words cannot but or cannot help. Cannot but or cannot help. We cannot but help you. We cannot but help you. You must obey your parents. Next, you must obey your parents. You must obey your parents. You must, M-U-S-T, must, O-B-E-Y, obey your parents. P-A-R-E-N-T-S. Parents. My dear student, we use it, cannot help. We shall use it, cannot help. Okay? Negative. You cannot help. H-E-L-P, help. Obeying, O-B-E-Y-I-N-G, obeying your parents. P-A-R-E-N-T-S, parents. My dear students, there are two options here. We cannot but. When we use alternative cannot but, there is the verb still here, but when we use cannot help, next verb plus ing pro, next verb plus ing. Okay, next your parents always still here. Okay, my dear student, it is very easy for you. When any student attentive for class, they will shine in life and shine his or her exam. If you do not understand any topics, anything, next class I shall complete these topics. If you question me, I shall answer you, because it is my duty. It is my duty for you. So, any topics you don't understand, next class you comment me and I shall to tell you about all the students will show my class and like the class and subscribe me. When you will subscribe the class, next video you will easily reach you. Okay, my dear students, I think that you will understand this topic. Okay, you must obey your parents. You cannot but, you cannot help obeying your parents, or you cannot but obey your parents. Two options here. Next, every mother loves her child. Every mother loves her child. Every mother, L-O-V-E, loves her, C-H-I-L-D. Every mother loves her child, N-E-G, negative. Every mother loves her child. There is no mother. There is no mother, M-O-T-H, here mother, but L-O-V-E, loves her, C-H-I-L-D. There the sentence not change meaning. Transformation means any sentence not change meaning. Change only for sentence. Meaning is always right position. Every mother loves her child. There is no mother but loves her child. Okay? World. The world only for accurately love her or his son only for mother. There is no interest. We, the child, always you should attentive for mother and ma only for your nearest mother. Okay? Every mother loves her child, there is no mother but loves her child. Everyone hates a liar. Everyone hates a liar. Next, everyone hates a liar. E-V-E-R-Y, every, E-V-R-Y, everyone hates a liar. O-N-E-1 H-A-T-E-S, hates a liar. Negative. Substitute word. Every, there is no one but. T-H-E-R-E, there is no O-N-E-1 but. Hates a liar. H-A-T-S, hates a L-I-A-R. L-I-A-R. My dear students, okay. Next, write down in your khata. This is very important for you. You write down in your khata. There is no one but hates a liar. There is no one but hates a liar. Now, I shall give you homework. Write down in your khata this homework. Next class I shall show the homework. I shall remember you. I shall R-E-M-E-M-B-R, remember you. Negative, enemy. Doing, I shall, he is a good player. He is a good, good player. P-L-A-Y-E-R. N-E-Z, negative. Teen. Okay? Teen. He was an honest boy. He was an honest, H-O-N-E-S-T, honest boy. B-O-Y, boy, N-E-Z. He was an honest boy. There are three homework or changing sentence. It is simple homework. I shall tell you this homework do for it is home. Okay. Next class I shall show you. Thank you very much all of students. You stay home and study attentively at home. Thank you all of